Hi, I'm Carrie from Turkey Library, and here are the supplies that you'll need. Now, you can use a variation of these. It would work better for the corks if you use a serrated knife, but I did not have one on hand. I did have difficulty cutting them. They are supposed to be boiled to make them more pliable, the corks, for about 5 to 10 minutes. I didn't have a way to boil them as I was at work, and so I went ahead and I microwaved them for 45 seconds. I recommend just watching them in your microwave. Maybe start at like 20 seconds if that's the way you choose to go, and that will make them softer to cut through. Hot glue is an option for a quicker hold. Otherwise, you can use tacky glue and or some sort of other craft glue that you'd like, and that will provide a good hold as well. It will just take longer to dry. And so now what I've done is taken the cork and I have cut it into fourths to make the legs. And you just want to basically, they don't need to be perfect, but you want to make sure that they kind of line up with the opposite leg so the reindeer stands straight. And then you want to just glue it there. Once you have those glued, you're going to work on the neck and the head. So I'm just kind of messing around to see what I like. I'm going to use half of a cork for the head and a third of the cork for the neck. These are the little they're little, I'm not sure, like eye nails, but they're plastic. You can get them for dolls and such. And so I had to actually poke a little hole to get them through. But you can also use like pins that you use for sewing and just cut off the ends. You can use googly eyes, anything like that. I just kind of liked this, and they're rather inexpensive to get a bag of them from a hobby store or Amazon. And then this is a little tiny nose I got out of a pom-pom set at the dollar store. Corks, you can always use your own if you have them. You do definitely want to boil them if they have been used for alcohol. These were bought from a craft store specifically to do a craft, so they don't have like a wine smell on them. And basically now what I'm doing is gluing his head onto the top of the neck. And now what I'm doing is taking the pipe cleaners to make the tail, the ears, and the antlers. For the antlers, you're going to cut a pipe cleaner in half. And then you're going to take two and you're just going to twist it around twice. And then I cut down the antlers to size to the corks, as they're all in various sizes. And then I just cut a little piece for the tail and a little piece for the ears. You can use different colored pipe cleaner if you'd like a lighter tan or whatever color, if you'd like to give them little black ears or black tail and then brown antlers, or whatever you might have on hand is fine. This is just what I happen to have on hand, and I'll glue those on. Just be careful with the hot glue. I also bought this little tiny bow to put on the front, and you can also, this one actually came in a little pack, I believe from Walmart, and you can also get your own ribbon and make your own little bow if you'd like. Sometimes I don't have the patience, so I did appreciate buying this, but if you have time and you're good at that thing, definitely do that and make it your own little creation. And I'm finally gluing that tail on. And that's it. You have yourself a little ornament you can gift or hang on your tree. Thank you for watching. Take care.